beast. I might squeeze the piece. Whole lot on my.
Oh shit! What's going on, guys? We're here at the beautiful Galveston Beach. No, it's not beautiful, but I don't know why my heart is racing fast as people that I went to high school with. Well, not all of them, but like mutuals. Hey, that do look packed up.
Hey, but if somebody try to touch you, it's
crazy part is that my homie's my security.
Fact.
Rate the Hello Kitty shirt, bro, because they don't it. I it, and it's a Nike one. You know what I'm saying? It's not some. So
comment down below if you like the Nike shirt. Give it.
If you would wear it.
Would you wear this Nike shirt?
Kev's giving away one, any size. If you Kev's giving it away.
Oh shit,
He's not lying though. He's not lying though. Comment down below your size.
Yeah,
comment your size down below.
I think it's a 9.5. To be honest with you.
What?
9.5.
And my boy Manny finna give away $100.
This slime, Dre right here. That slime right there for sure.
Hey, it's Dre, man. These bitches ain't for the street, they for the earth.
Hendrix, Dre Hendrix. Dre Hendrix. Fitty.
Big ass cooler.
Looking clean with the fresh cut.
I don't know what to tell y'all. I just know it's moving. In reality, we at the beach. It's a beautiful day. Let's get the balls real quick.
You're not lying though.
We out here having a good time with my brother, Kev.
Oh, yes, sir.
My brother Kev. To life, liberty, pursuit of happiness.
Yes, sir.
Bleep this out.
He a gremlin for that.
Real slime in the building, man. What's up?
Bitch, you better not play with me. Yeah. Hey, where we at today? In Galveston, right? In Galveston.
Hey, the
Off
slimes,
the liquor.
the slimes with the vibe.
Slime with the vibe. He a slime. I don't know what I am.
This a regular day for a rich and red nigga.
We're fucking gremlins.
Real gremlins. Hey, gremlin shit. Hey, look, real twin gremlins. No cap.
Look, real gremlins. Sneaking and geeking, man.
Yeah,
you know?
sneaking and geeking.
For real, for sure.
They talking about
That's O-Block. That's West Bay.
I'll take one for the ball.
hey, Vinny, get that shit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This Edgewood.
Throw the ease up.
Okay.
Hey, hold on.
Hey, talk your shit.
Blow your cap back, bitch. Yeah.
Who's this?
It's your turn.
Oh no, I'm not.
100K.
100K, get money.
Hey, summer 22, man. We out here, man. Fuck they talking about.
You see the brand. Oh, he got that.
Winners only because y'all come shot. Area. Clear the area. Oh, Manny.
If you want a G, clap 2 times. If you wear a G, clap 2 times. I make them G, go G. Let me in, tell me in.
Don't play.
Hey man, we outside, you already know. We just going off vibes. That's all it is. Life.
Yo, what's up? You next. Hey. Hit
Come on.
Live it up. Spring break 2022. We lit. It's time.
Bring it on, Manny.
Hey, what does whip got? What does whip got? What does whip got?
Stock.
Oh, don't do it fast though. Don't do it like loud. Like.
That was loud.
I'm scared of that house.
Just go like that. Look.
It's like green.
Oh shit.
Nigga from the red line now.
That shit loud.
Nah, maybe Kev just copped the new whip.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit does sound fucking insane. This shit is fucking fire.
The rim is on the floor.
Okay, hold up. Huh?
Bro, come look at it.
I look around.
No, bro, what the?
Your rim is on the ground, like it's scraping the rocks, bro.
It's gonna be straight. You hop in.
What do you mean? That's just about to explode. I'm not
Stop trying to act cool for the camera, bro. I just want to see like your reaction. No, I actually do want to see your reaction. Got your bitch ass.
I'm just trying to ball in the.
Hey, how your boyfriend still got you working 9 to 5?
Oh, that's crazy.
Y'all got me. Not gonna lie. Y'all got me. I was like, man.
That bitch ain't wanna tip. That bitch ain't want my jerk. I pull up on these hoes. I'm riding that spaceship. These hoes, they want my pole. These hoes want their little dick. This bitch ain't want the head. These hoes on the track. Tatted on the back. Tatted on the neck. Can't cut the back. Shawty wanna live. Shawty wanna live. Shawty wanna roll. Shawty wanna get. Shawty wanna pop. Shawty wanna live. And I step my bill. And I go on drill. Shawty wanna fuck, she just wanna feel. I be on the X, I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck my ex still. Trapping in the hell, so one in the hell. Better how I feel, been the cool, no deal. Bitch, you wanna fuck, shawty wanna feel. 100,000 flow, 100,000 flow. Switch up like I can close, switch up like I chain hold. Got a lot of the hoe, got a lot of cold. Got a body low, nigga overdose. Yeah, my swag so clean, bad bitches on me. Ooh, bad bitch wanna fuck, yeah, TMZ, Gucci coat tip. I been in here, shawty got it big.
What's going on, guys? It's 4:40. So tired. We just got done from the beach. Buddy over here working. So fucking tired. But it was nice seeing a couple homies I went to high school with. It was fun seeing them again. Haven't seen them in a long time. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, comment, everything. Road to 50K, man. We're almost there. We're almost there. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Peace.